Hi, today we're unboxing this Fitbit Charge 3 Advanced Health and Fitness Activity Tracker with smartwatch features. Currently this fitness tracker on Amazon can be bought for $120 to $140. Amazon links will be in description. So, what do we get for this price? First of all, box looks quite exquisite with cute pictures. And on the box they also mention all important features. For example, you can go swimming while wearing this tracker. It has 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, and other features. Okay, let's open up. Practical pull tab to pull out the box. And of course, a lot of papers. Right now we don't care about that, everything can be found on YouTube. Box looks like a constructor, everything is planned out. On every corner there's some kind of info. We can also see that watch requires an app, but right now we are interested in the hardware. I can see that males can also use this watch in case of picking the wrong color. Additionally to lavender band, there is an extra black classic band. Very nice. Well, black band is made of the rubber and is not as exquisite as lavender band. That's why I suggest choosing the right color from the start. Available colors are black graphite, blue-gray, frost white, and or lavender. Also in the box we can find the core. Fitbit Charge 3 fitness tracker smartwatch with already installed one of two sized lavender bands. Looks marvelous. Also it's very compact and not big. Will fit those who hate big bang watches. There is a pulse sensor underneath the watch and charging ports. Gold variant looks gorgeous. If you have golden iPhone, then you got super combo breaker. Maybe some of you already use this Charge 3. I think there should be something more. Ah yes, charger. Have to take good care of it because it's impossible to charge the watch using USB-C or micro USB cable, only by using this weird connector. We can also find safety documents about you not eating this watch, not disassembling it, and more. Maybe some of you already use this Fitbit Charge 3 smartwatch. If answer is positive, before continuing, write down 3 good things about this watch and 3 things that you dislike. Alright, thank you. Let's continue. Now I will mention some things that I found out after using this watch for 4 months. Maybe they'll be useful. If you wish to track your sleep, then you have to get used to wearing this watch while sleeping, because it's not very comfortable at first. To synchronize data and follow your training routine, you have to turn on GPS and Bluetooth. Both of these can eat up your battery, but for me, I think it didn't eat up so much power. I have to charge my phone almost every day anyway. Also, black rubber band is more comfortable than leather band, more elastic and softer. I guess beauty truly requires sacrifice. It is written that it has Gorilla Glass 3, but it's scratched while taking out clothes from washing machine. It also smashed or bumped into other materials, but there are no signs of impact. Wireless sync for this model works much better compared to Fitbit Flex, very nice. Battery works approximately 5 days, if you're not very active then 6 to 7 days. There are no problems using this watch while being in water, for example in aquapark or in bubble bath. Screen quality is very good, design is minimalistic just like I want it. There aren't a lot of smartwatch features and I don't know why, but it often shows old messages from WhatsApp or other messaging apps. It has quite useful feature, for example, while riding a bike you receive an email. Right after that on the watch you can see the latest received emails headline, or you can see who is calling you at the moment. Big minus is that you can't check full emails, messages or calls. Watch only shows headlines and after that notification disappears. Sometimes touching the screen makes it glitch out. You can't scroll to the side, only up and down. Auto workout detection sometimes works incorrectly. For example, while walking on the spot, Fitbit will think that it's an elliptical trainer. Training overview is good. Easy to go through information showing pulse, distance traveled, speed, and etc. The accuracy of step counter depends on action. While walking or doing sports, it counts accurately. But it can also collect at least 300 steps while washing dishes, which is not easy and also burns calories. Overall, the watch user is very satisfied and would definitely buy again. Ideal support to motivate you to move more and feel better. Biking and setting records, seeing progress and competing against yourself is also a good option. A good feature is the reminder to move every hour. You can specify which hours to motivate you or you can turn on the relax mode. Right now I think most of you know someone who has health and fitness activity trackers or smartwatches, all of which are in top right now. Therefore, write down in the comments which tracker are you using or no and also some pros and cons. Together we will find the most popular device among us. Well, video got long at the end, but I wanted to tell you my observations. And of course, do not forget to put a like and subscribe to keep my posts lower and to meet me in another video. Goodbye and live healthy.